Gayatri, how are you?
I'm doing great.
So
Thank
from
you.
where are you?
I'm from Chennai.
How is your overall experience?
It was good actually. She explained all the sections which I didn't expect it. I have attended one or two demo sessions from other websites also. So they just explained 5 to 10 minutes, but here she explained all the things. Each and every section she explained about the tips and tricks. So that's more than enough.
Virtual classes are actually, I think this class I attended, it was really good, and I have learned a lot of things such as accents of UK and US and such things, and teachers are really friendly and the way they are teaching is really excellent. I mean, I rate it as excellent. So I have found something new on your Western Overseas actually. It's really nice actually. I just love it.